Hello, welcome to Soundop tutorials. In this video, we will focus on recording clips in the multitrack editor. Before recording a clip, select the input device. Arm the track for recording, and optionally enable monitoring. You can control recording with the transport panel. Record, pause, resume, turn off recording, turn on recording, stop. You can also control recording with the keyboard. Record, pause, resume, turn off recording, turn on recording, stop. If there is a time selection, Soundop will record audio in the selection. And you can override the default behavior with punch-in record and punch-out record. If you want to record a clip repeatedly, choose loop record. After recording, you can select the best take, or unpack the takes to tracks or clip lanes. When record a time range, you can enable pre-roll and post-roll to play before and after recording. You can also manually set the pre-roll position. To record an extra time before the record range, turn on the record pre-roll option. Well, that's all for now. Thanks for watching.